Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to insert cover pages into your Notion template. What you're going to do is you're going to hover at the top of your Notion template and you're going to see these prompts. It's going to say add icon, add cover, add comment. You're going to add cover. When you do that, a picture is automatically going to pop up. It's going to be different every time. You're going to see two buttons. You're going to click on change cover. You're going to see that there is a gallery. You can choose anything from this gallery. I'm just going to go in and choose a little space theme. And once you do that, once I click on an image, you can see that now the top of my Notion template has an image to it. You also have the option to go and upload something from your own personal files. You can link something from another website, and you can also use the Unsplash, which is just stock images where you can either choose from their gallery or you can go in at the top and you can type in what you want. You also have the option to remove a cover page. It's not necessary. So now we're going to talk about repositioning the cover image. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the reposition and then you're going to find what position fits best for your image. Because all of the images are different, obviously where you're going to be positioning your image is going to be different based on the photo that you have. And that's how you insert cover images in your Notion templates. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.